Buying replacement windows in McLean is a significant investment that can improve your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall value. However, many homeowners make avoidable mistakes during the process, leading to higher costs, poor performance, or long-term dissatisfaction. Understanding these common pitfalls can help you make smarter, more confident decisions. One of the most frequent mistakes is focusing only on price. While it's natural to look for a good deal, choosing the cheapest option often leads to problems down the line. Low-cost windows may lack durability, proper insulation, or strong warranties. Instead of basing your decisions solely on upfront cost, consider the long-term value. Energy-efficient, high-quality windows may cost more initially but can save you money through reduced energy bills and fewer repairs. Another common error is ignoring energy efficiency ratings. McLean experiences both hot summers and cold winters, so selecting windows designed for your climate is essential. Many homeowners overlook factors like U-factor, solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC, and Energy Star certification. These ratings directly impact how well your windows keep heat in during winter and out during summer. Choosing the right specifications ensures year-round comfort and lower utility costs. Many buyers also underestimate the importance of proper measurements. Even the best windows will perform poorly if they don't fit correctly. Measuring windows is not as simple as it seems, and small inaccuracies can lead to drafts, leaks, or difficulty opening and closing. This is why it's often best to rely on professionals who can ensure precise measurements and a proper fit. Choosing the wrong window style is another mistake that can affect both functionality and aesthetics. Homeowners sometimes select windows based solely on appearance without considering ventilation needs, ease of cleaning, or how the window operates. For example, double-hung windows are easy to clean, while casement windows offer better ventilation. Think about how each room is used and select styles that enhance both convenience and design. Overlooking installation quality is a critical but common issue. Even high-end windows can fail if they are not installed correctly. Poor installation can result in air leaks, water intrusion, and reduced energy efficiency. It's important to choose a reputable contractor with experience in window replacement. Don't hesitate to ask about certifications, warranties, and previous work to ensure you're hiring qualified professionals. Some homeowners also neglect to check warranties and product guarantees. Not all windows come with the same level of protection, and failing to review warranty details can lead to unexpected expenses later. A strong warranty provides peace of mind and reflects the manufacturer's confidence in their product. Be sure to understand what is covered, including materials, glass, and installation. Another mistake is failing to consider the overall home design. Replacement windows should complement your home's architectural style, not clash with it. In McLean, where homes often feature distinct and elegant designs, mismatched windows can negatively impact curb appeal and resale value. Take the time to choose colors, finishes, and grid patterns that blend seamlessly with your home. Lastly, many homeowners rush the decision-making process. Buying replacement windows is not something you should do on impulse. Take the time to research options, compare products, and consult with professionals. Rushing can lead to overlooking important details or settling for a product that doesn't fully meet your needs. Avoiding these common mistakes can make a significant difference in your window replacement experience. By focusing on quality, energy efficiency, proper installation, and thoughtful design, you can ensure that your new windows provide lasting value and comfort for years to come.